Okay, now let's work with the damage of our enemy. So let's select our enemy object. Let's go to animator and let's make a new parameter, trigger type, and let's name it enemy die. Okay, now let's bring the animations. Let's see, enemy one animations. So let's bring the heart animation right here with a parameter from here, a transition, sorry, from heart to walking. And then let's bring, hey, I don't have the die animation. So let's make the die animation. So animations, this one we're going to have it in the section 2, resources section 2, skeleton grunt, animations, and a skeleton grunt. So this is the death. So let's make it. Okay, we're going to make a new one and let's name it enemy die. Okay, so the last frame is going to be 119 and the first one is going to be 090. Okay, so let's see. Yes, apply, and we're gonna have this one enemy die, and let's bring it right here from with a transition from any state to enemy die. Okay, so let's select this transition and let's give the condition of enemy die. Okay, all right. So next we need to do a new tag. So let's name this new tag as player weapon. Okay, and now let's go to the prefab folder, select our knife, and give our knife the tag player weapon. Okay, so let's go to our script folder and let's make a new C# script and let's name it enemy 01 health. This is right. Let me see. Yes. Okay. And now let's see. Let's assign this script to our enemy 01. So enemy 1 health to our enemy 1. Okay. So we have this one and let's open our enemy 1 health and let's make some variables. So the first one are going to be serialized field, serialized field, all right, and this one is going to be a private int starting health equals to 20. Okay, and I'm going to grab this serialized field, so copy and paste right here. Hey, okay, copy and paste. Okay, and let's make another private float time since last hit is going to be just 0.5 f. Okay, let's make another serialized field and it's going to be a private float disappear speed because we want this enemy to go disappear in the field and then destroy it. So let's going to give to f. All right, and for this one let's make a private int current health. All right, Let's make another one. Let's say private float is going to be a timer. Okay, 0f. Let's bring the animator anim. Okay, let's bring our private nav mesh agent. Is going to be our nav, and our private ball is alive. Okay. Another one, private rigid body. Let's say rigid body. Okay, and rigid body. All right, and private capsule collider is going to be our capsule collider. Okay, and private ball. Let's make this up disappear enemy, and it's going to be a false in the start. And then we need to make another one. We need to make our getter for the is alive. So let's say public ball is alive with capital. Okay, open braces and get return is alive variable. Okay, sorry. Okay. Okay, let's save this code and let's go to the start function to initialize our variables, where first we need to initialize our rigid body is equals to get component. Which one? Well, our rigid body. Okay, and then our capsule collider is going to be equals to get component. Which one? Well, our capsule collider. Okay, and our nav is going to be equals to get component. Which one? Well, our nav mesh agent. Okay, and our anim is going to be our get component. Right, well, animator. Okay, and then our is alive is going to be true, and then our current health is going to be equal to starting health. Phew, okay, let's save this one. So as we make with our player, let's go into our update and let's set our timer plus equals to time dot delta time. All right, so let's make the same function as our player. We're gonna just copy and paste, so this gonna be easier. So let's go to our player health and let's uh, get all this on trigger enter. So let's copy this one and go to our enemy health and let's paste it right here. Okay, so let's see. If other tag, we're going to assign this player weapon and then take hit. We haven't had this one, but we're going to make it timer. Okay. Okay, so now let's go to our player health. Let's take uh, all this. Let me see. Yes, all the take hit. Okay, let's copy it and let's go to enemy one health. and let's paste it right here. So let's check. Okay, void take hit. So if you're not this one, okay, let's erase this one. We don't need that. um and then anim play hard. Yes, the animation still hard. Hey, no thanks. Wait a minute. Okay. So where I was. Okay, let me check. Another thing important here, we have to call our using Unity Engine .ai. Okay, so okay, we were right here. So let's say, okay, anim play hard. Okay, current health -10. Okay, and then if current health, let me see, dun, dun, 0 is alive. Here we're gonna say, okay, let's erase all this, and let's say is alive is going to be equals false. Okay, and then we need to call a new method that is going to be kill enemy. Okay, all right, and then outside let's make our new void kill enemy. Okay, and then open braces, and let's say, okay, when once our enemy is killed, our capsule collider enabled. Let's give the false statement. Okay, and then our nav mesh, well, is our nav enabled. Let's give the false value, and then let's play the animation anim dot set trigger. It's going to be enemy die, and our rigid body, we need to say that our kinematic is true. In a few seconds we're gonna see why. Okay, so let's save the code and let's preview. Okay, console. Okay, clear. What's going on here? Okay, let me check. Our capsule collider component, our capsule collider. What is wrong with this? Okay, is capsule with one L. All right, capsule collider with. Hey, okay, capsule collider is good. Collider is good. Okay. Uh, all right. So let's save the code and okay. Hey, I still got oh, here we have capsule collider. All right, let's save it again and all right. Yes. So now let's play the game and let's kill our monster here. Okay, another one. Okay, so here we have it. But we have this issue. Okay, so he's dead. But if I move here, oh, it's okay. So we have some issues right here. Let me check once more. So hey, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Hey, okay. As okay, we have some issues with the with our knife, and we have the issue that our enemy is dead. Let's check. Okay, the capsule collider is disabled. The nav mesh agent is disabled. Okay, so but when I okay, when I approach him, he starts all over again. So this are a few issues that we're going to work with in the next lesson. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next one.